दी। हेलो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। तो अभी है सुबह का, बज चुका है 7 और रात में बहुत बारिश हुआ है तो टेंट में कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ है। तो हमने सोचा कि 6 बजे जाना है, बट बारिश की वजह से 6 बजे तो जा नहीं पाएंगे। तो अभी हमारा जो प्लान है अभी 7:30 बजे का निकलने का है। तो अभी 7 बज रहा है। तो अभी है कि मेन कि हम लोगों ने सोचा कि ब्रेकफास्ट पहले ऑन द वे करते हैं। तो बस प्रॉब्लम ये हो गया कि फ़ायदा कुछ नहीं है, तो हमने बटर मन्ने के यहाँ से ब्रेकफास्ट भी ऑर्डर कर लिया है। तो ब्रेकफास्ट जो है आपको दिखा देता हूँ। तो आज का जो ब्रेकफास्ट है ये है आई थिंक ये लवंगी बात। तो ये खाते हैं फिर यहाँ से निकलते हैं। तो हम लोग क्या किया कि हम लोगों ने क्या किया कि टेंट वेंट बाकी सब चीज़ें पैक कर दिया है एक्सेप्ट टेंट, क्योंकि टेंट में भी थोड़ा बहुत पानी वानी, रात में बारिश हुआ तो मैंने सोचा छोड़ देते हैं कुछ देर। अभी उसका भी टाइम इन्वेस्ट करना सही नहीं है। पहले ट्रैक करते हैं, ट्रैक से आने के बाद देखते हैं, आराम से पैक वैक करके सीधा निकलते हैं। तो भाई ट्रैक शुरू हो चुका है सुबह का 8 बजे। मुश्किल है आज का दिन। मुझे लगता है कि सामने आने में बहुत टाइम हो जाएगा। या टू लेट। देखते हैं क्या होगा। ऑलरेडी सारा ग्रुप्स निकल चुके हैं, हम लास्ट है अभी ग्रुप में। तो देखते हैं कहाँ तक पहुँचेंगे। तो है कि अभी आराम से यहाँ पे बैठे हैं, रिलैक्स कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि अभी तो पता है कि अभी जाना है 1.5 किलोमीटर्स। तो अभी कुछ देर आराम से बैठ के जाते हैं। एंड दिस अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस टू सेट एक्चुअली। सो यहाँ पे कोई लीचेस का कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। तो मैंने सोचा चलो बैठते हैं कुछ देर फिर चलते हैं। तो वो है। और उसके बाद है कि यहाँ से निकलता हूँ अभी थोड़ा देर में, फिर सीधा जाऊँगा, सीधा जाते हुए ऊपर की तरफ यहाँ से शेष पर्वत देन कुमार पर्वत। So guys, I met some of the trekkers. They also come from Bangalore. Your good name, sir?
Rohit.
Jay.
Karthik.
Yeah, they're actually in very good speed. Yesterday they started at 4 o'clock in the evening and they reached at around 8 o'clock. That's really good. And today also they're just moving like a express. So and
Thank you guys.
hope they are the regular trekkers.
No.
But they're doing very good.
Part-time trekkers.
Part-time.
Fog, look at the fog.
Yeah,
It's completely filled now.
filled. After climbing so much, now we are going to down. Hope we'll get some relaxation. All of our group members. It was so steep until we reach Sesa Parvata. After this, people usually say that you have to get down and again you have to climb it. So from Sesa Parvata, it hardly take 1 hour if you continuously walk without stopping, without breaks. So my target also be there to 1 hour, because the time is right now at 12 o'clock, and if we reach at 1 o'clock, we'll try to come back from 1:30 from the Kumara Parvata, and we will reach to our location at 3:30. From there we can start at 4 o'clock and we'll go down at 5:30 to 6 o'clock in the Kukke Subramanya. That is our plan today.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show.
Oh shit! Look at here, guys. How many leeches are there? Oh, crazy! Yeah. So many leeches. Hope you guys are able to see. This entire place is covered by leeches. Oh my! So many leeches are there. Every pit and places leeches. Complete leeches. This area. फाइनली कुमार पर्वता पीक पे आ चुके हैं, एंड ये है एक्चुअली जिसको हम लोग मिस हो गए थे बहुत देर से. ओके, देयर इज अ बोर्ड बट nowhere written anything. I think because of the rain and all, it's gone totally. And earlier, once upon a time, there is a Karnataka flag was there, and I think people has been removed. And this is the actual peak. So look at the clouds. It's so beautiful. We did it! We did it! We did it, man. Seriously. Yeah. Finally. So beautiful views.
We completed, guys.
Finally.
Finally. So let me go there and take some pics, capture some views, and thereafter so happy after reaching this peak. So I can see the excitement on their face.
Mission KP completed.
Completed, huh? Okay. And look at the beautiful views from here. Wow, just wow.
Oh man.
Seriously crazy. It's worth being here. They have 8 members group actually, and they do usually frequent treks and to Karnataka especially, right? So, and there is one gang leader, and he's currently busy in the so he's a gang leader. So what's a good name? Rohit. Rohit is a gang leader for this group. So how's your gang leader, guys?
He's awesome.
Awesome.
He's mind blowing.
Okay, so hopefully these guys also leave today Bangalore, I think.
Yeah.
So all of us. So total we have 12 people currently, and these 2 people are actually from Andhra. They join with us. One is Bablu, one is Devanand. Devanand right now is no mood to turn.
Jai Balaya.
Jay Balaya, okay. Hindu we are there.
Jai Balaya!
So finally इस प्लेस को टाटा बाय बाय करने का टाइम आ चुका है. I think we there more than half an hour. Took nice photos, then had lunch, and we have to move back to down. The first challenge is I feel going down is that getting down from the mountain. That is the one challenge. Apart from that, I don't see any major challenges. And another 1.5 kilometers will be little tough because of leeches and all. After that, I don't see any much issues. And there is no grip. So now we are heading to Buttermane, and from there we will go to Kukke Subramania. From then night we'll catch a train or a bus, depends upon the availabilities, and we'll go to Bangalore. This is our plan, and now we are feeling so relaxed actually. We also feel the water on the way. Okay, this is one of the most least place you can say. Finally the trek is over for the day, and I'm leaving to Bangalore from Kukke Subramania today. Some of my friends are waiting down, so we'll go and have lunch, and I'll leave you. Again, packed all my things. Okay, so time to go back, and maybe we'll reach at Kukke at 8:30 or 9 o'clock in the night. After that we'll have some dinner, nice dinner. Then we'll plan to catch some bus. Getting this lunch from one of the beautiful team. They're offering lunch, and they kept 2 boxes for us also. And Prem is tasting. कैसा है भाई? मस्त प्यार. Thank you so much to them actually. You can carry your own water bottles, and for water bottles they don't charge anything. Apart from any plastic, they will charge each plastic 100 rupees. So they don't allow tissue papers, wet tissue papers also. So this is my experience from Kukke Subramania, and I'm just sign off from this, and stay tuned for more videos from my channel.